Studying doesn't have to be exhausting or overwhelming anymore. In today's video, I'll show you how to leverage the power of AI tools to learn faster, stay organized, and make your study sessions smarter, not harder. These tools will help you with everything from summarizing topics to mastering difficult concepts. Let's dive right in. Let's start with ChatGPT, an AI assistant that can simplify complex topics, brainstorm ideas, and even help you draft essays. It's like having a tutor available 24/7. For example, if you're struggling with a concept like the greenhouse effect, you can ask ChatGPT to explain it in simple terms. Within seconds, it provides a clear, easy-to-follow answer. You can also use ChatGPT for practical advice, like generating study tips. It's great for brainstorming and organizing your thoughts. One of ChatGPT's most useful features is its ability to simplify or rephrase complex sentences. It's perfect for breaking down difficult material into something more digestible. Keep in mind, though, that ChatGPT should complement your learning, not replace it. Always double-check its responses and ensure you understand the material. ChatGPT is an incredibly versatile tool for learning, brainstorming, and simplifying tough concepts. Let's move on to the next tool. Next is Quizlet, an AI-powered tool that helps you memorize information through flashcards, quizzes, and games. It's perfect for subjects like languages, history, or science. Let's start by creating a new flashcard set in Quizlet. First, log into your account and click on the Create button at the top of the page. Give your flashcard set a title that reflects its purpose. For example, I'll name this set English Vocabulary for Beginners. You can also add a description if needed. Next, enter your terms and their definitions. For example, I'm adding the word benevolent with the definition well-meaning and kindly. Quizlet automatically saves your work as you go. Quizlet also suggests definitions as you type, making it faster to build your flashcards. You can edit these suggestions if needed. Once you've added all your terms, click Create Set to save your work. Your flashcards are now ready to use. Quizlet offers multiple ways to study. In Learn mode, Quizlet adapts to your progress, focusing on the terms you're struggling with to help you master them faster. Elicit.org is a revolutionary AI tool that simplifies research by finding academic papers, summarizing them, and even answering specific research questions. It's perfect for students, researchers, or anyone working on a project. For example, let's say you're researching the effects of exercise on mental health. Simply type your query into Elicit, and it instantly brings up a list of relevant academic papers, complete with summaries. Elicit not only lists the papers, but also provides a concise summary of their key findings. This saves you the time of reading through entire papers, helping you focus on what matters most. You can filter results to display only peer-reviewed articles or sort them by relevance, making your research more targeted and efficient. Another powerful feature is Elicit's question tool. If you have a specific question, type it in, and Elicit generates detailed evidence-based answers using the available data. Next, we have Speechify, an AI-powered tool that turns written text into spoken audio, making it perfect for learning on the go. Whether it's lecture notes, articles, or ebooks, Speechify can help you listen while multitasking. To get started, add the Speechify extension to your browser. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Speechify, and click Add to Chrome. Alternatively, you can add it from their website here. Once installed, you'll see its icon in your toolbar. Once installed, open any article or document you want to listen to. Click the Speechify icon, and it will begin reading the text aloud.
The 12 steps to success. 1. Be confident.
You can customize the reading speed and choose from various voice options to match your preferences, making the experience both engaging and efficient. Wolfram Alpha is like a genius at your fingertips. From solving complex math problems to providing detailed explanations for science queries, it's an invaluable tool for students. Need help with calculus? Simply type in your equation, and Wolfram Alpha not only solves it, but also explains the steps. Next on our list is Grammarly, the ultimate writing assistant. Whether you're writing essays, emails, or creative content, Grammarly helps you polish your work by checking for grammar, punctuation, and style issues. To get started, add the Grammarly extension to your browser. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Grammarly, and click Add to Chrome. Once installed, Grammarly will automatically integrate with your browser. Here's how it works. As you type, Grammarly underlines issues in real time and offers suggestions for corrections. For example, it fixes spelling mistakes, punctuation errors, and even awkward phrasing. And there you have it, 6 powerful AI tools to revolutionize your study routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.